Hello everyone! Today we're making oven-baked pork chops. This is a very easy and simple to follow recipe. Baked pork chops is super crispy outside, tender and juicy inside. And total baking time is only 12 minutes. You may also use exactly the same recipe to bake chicken thigh, chicken breasts, or fish steak. I'm using 4 pieces of pork chops today, but first, let's toast breadcrumbs. Add 2½ cups of breadcrumbs in the pan. Drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Give a good mix first. And then drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give a good mix again. Now we can turn on the heat to medium and slowly toasting breadcrumbs until it's golden. And consistently flipping around the pan or toss around breadcrumbs. And be very patient with this step, and you don't want to over toasting breadcrumbs. We're almost there. The color is slowly turned into golden color. Something like this, it is perfect. Then we'll set this pan on the side. And next, we're going to season the pork chops with the salt and pepper. I'm using garlic salt today to give it more flavor, but you can definitely use regular salt. To prevent pork chops from shrinking, maintain their size during the cooking process, I'll trimming off the fascia at the edges. Shallow cuts around the pork chops will do the trick. This creates a favorable foundation for flavorful feast. Then we'll season the pork chops with the garlic salt and black pepper all around evenly. And now assemble 2 cups of flour, 2 well-beaten eggs, and toasted breadcrumbs, each ready to play its role. Our stage is set. Coat pork chops with the flour first all around. Then transfer to second tray, coated evenly with a well-beaten egg. Moving on to last tray, toasted breadcrumbs, well coated with the breadcrumbs. After that, I place pork chops directly into a cast iron pan. Repeat the same steps with the rest of pork chops. At this time, you can preheat oven to 428 Fahrenheit, which is 220 Celsius. Okay, now all the pork chops are ready to go in oven. We're going to bake for 12 to 13 minutes. And that's it. That's all the work to it. After 13 minutes, voila! Take a look at the color. It is so crispy outside, and it smells so good inside. I wish you all can smell this. I've got to tell you, the taste and the flavor, it is just so good. Definitely give a try. This is the most simple and easy follow recipe. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking, everyone!